welcome back to my channel, and I'm so happy that you're here for one more weekend. And this weekend I'm not sure what am I going to do. This is my outfit and this is the shoes I'm wearing, and I have done a new hairstyle. If you like it, just let me know. And we are going out. Let's go. We are in a hurry. So I am waiting for Cookie Didi and Jaggi Virji, and we are going out to Brampton. Annie Didi's birthday is there on Monday, so we are going for some shopping to Sephora, and I'll take you along with me to shop for Annie Didi's birthday, and that will be fun. And let's see what we do this weekend. I'm not sure what we are doing. Yeah, so let me take you along to see what we do. I'm feeling so nice. My outfit looks so good. I'll give you my outfit full look. If I click any pictures, I'll pop it here, or else I'm sorry, or else I'll place my phone. I want to place somewhere my phone. I want to show you my outfit. Let me do that. Wait, just stay with me. Yeah. I'm wearing a 3/4 pant. That's a new pant I have bought, and Cookie Didi gave me this Aldo bag. I'm wearing this, and this pink t-shirt I have shown in my haul. So that it is. Let's wait for Cookie Didi and Jaggi Virji to come, and then we'll go to Sephora. I think you can see my outfit here properly if this phone doesn't fall down. Stay with me. My hair is going here and there. I'm very scared if my phone falls. Taking this one. Oh my god, here I am. I'm not able to show my pants. I don't know how can I do that. It's okay, I'm not doing anything more. People will look at me. I may look a little stupid on the road. I'm just waiting for Cookie Didi and Jaggi Virji and doing all the things. Ignore. Let's go. Started feeling good.
So guys, you wanna say something?
We are here for Annie Didi's birthday shopping, and Cookie Didi is only giving all the tip and tricks, and me and Jaggi Virji are here for just giving support to them. We just need popcorns to sit and eat and enjoy here. That's it.
So I was just asking Hashu if she can
Say the shades of this pink. I think this is baby pink. This is jelly pink. This is Jaggi Virji told magenta pink. This is magenta pink. I think this is pinky pink.
Yeah.
This is peach, and this is I don't know, orange maybe. And this is a mixture of it. Please
that's
comment
very nice.
down. What do you think about these?
Yeah, then we were looking at all these eyebrows, Please comment down and let us know which one is your
Favorite eyebrows, yeah.
Here's the second one,
Third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth, seventh.
Oh my god.
So pretty ones.
Yeah. So now guys, we will move to the next section.
We move to the next section.
Stay tuned.
Yeah,
We just joined the conversation between Navjot and her sister Anujot. So, what else, guys?
nothing. We are doing nothing here. Just
Okay. Can
staying.
we move to that side?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
I have no clue what are these. I'm just here to look at these things. Zero clue about makeup. Cookie Didi is there, so we don't worry about it.
Look at these guys.
हमारा मेकअप लीडर कैसा हो, कुकी दीदी जैसा हो.
Look at them, guys. Guys, she's worried about her skin
Yeah, a lot.
and
Mommy needs some makeover.
yeah,
Mommy needs some
she's just
makeover.
waiting for Sabrine to grow up and
Then
do
she
some
can
stuff
give her
on
own
her
time.
face. Look at her, guys.
Girls' day out.
So guys, after so many experimentations, so
We
I
bought
think
one concealer and one foundation, and we
Yeah.
are still there to go and buy one blush.
yeah.
Let's see.
Let's see if they're gonna pick
Let's
the
see.
right one.
Yeah, let's see. एक बार confirm कराना.
They again gonna
Comment down that Annie Didi should do a makeup video with me. Me
Yeah.
doing her makeup or else she doing her makeup.
try. Not just with you, including Sabrine too.
Yes, Sabrine doing Annie Didi's makeup.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on. We're just moving here and there. They are doing the thing.
Yeah, we are just finding big blush.
Too much concentration.
कितना के shades पसंद है तनु blush पे? Pink, red, orange. Yeah.
Today I kept pink, happy, rare beauty.
बहुत सोना shade है. वो भी थोड़ा shade.
अपने घर दी मेकअप गुरु हैगी कुकी दीदी मेरी मेकअप दी जर्नी शुरू हो गई कुकी दीदी तो अजय भी चल रही हैगी उत्थों ही and she is doing the same
ये orange ही है वो pink ही है.
yeah wow मैंने बड़ा बढ़िया लगा मैंने चीजें समझ आती है ना
Which one looks good?
I like orange
Orange?
Let's
Sure.
ask our audience.
मैंने powder
Please
वगैरह
guys
देखता है.
comment down.
Okay, you
whichever
guys
you
please
like,
do
okay?
let me know which one should I buy. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
she is in
Hello.
yeah Karan what are you doing okay तू काम खत्म करके फोन करी ओके कर लिए स्टार्ट ना ਹੋਈ ਉੜੇ ਆਈ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਆ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਹਾਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਹੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਤੂੰ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਾਲ ਕਰੀ I don't know why my husband is disturbing me. I'm doing makeup. Okay, let's go, guys. We are at one more stop. I don't know what are we doing. Makeup ही नहीं जाना. नहीं भी एक बार.
Wash करके ले मैं तो खा के दसी.
नहीं पर ਐਵੇਂ ਐਵੇਂ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਗੀ ਨਾ.
हाँ तो की देना.
नहीं ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੱਟेंगे ना.
नहीं,
वो ਐਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਖਾ ਸਕਦੇ हैं. ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਠੀਕ. We are at Annie's place now and look at this beautiful pears on the tree. Look at these. These are so pretty. And we took one of them and now we are gonna eat them. We have pears here. We have apples here. These are the apples, green apples on the tree. You can see so many. There are so many on the floor even. And we have even pudina. Eh, pudina hi hai na?
Yeah, mint.
Mint, yeah. Mint leaves also. So many.
have a
Oh, we have chili too. That's so nice. And this is ginger.
And
Ginger.
baby karelas, you can see. What do we call?
Where is baby Karela?
Those yellow flowers that you see, the small ones.
Okay.
That is a baby karela.
That's so nice. We have a lot of greenery here in the backyard.
Yes, and this is the fruit which Hashu is going to taste now.
Yeah, let's eat this. Hey, 1 second. What are you doing, Joban? Can you show your new car to the camera? What is it? Can you please? Why are you doing like that? Show Ginger, Joban.
Can do this.
What can the car spider? What is this car? Tell me.
It's a car spider pickup truck.
It's a car spider pickup truck. Which color is it?
Brown.
It's red.
No, it's brown car spider. Just pretend brown car spider.
Okay.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
This tastes so good. I'm eating it. I wish I could make you taste this, but it's okay. Let me eat it. Sabrine, say hi. I. You want this? No. Sabrine, what are you wearing? Crocs? What? Ginger? Jump. सबू की कर रहे हो? आ देख जंप. Oh. सबरीन सबरीन देख 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 देख. Oh wow! Bas Ginger, that's it. No. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Oh oh.
जाओ शॉपिंग करन आ लो
Uh-oh.
ले लामा आप आओ ले ग्लासेस लाइए
Sabrine is ready for shopping. Now she'll be going to Sephora. Wow. Wow, Sabu, you look so pretty. ਉਹਦੇ ਕੰਨ 'ਚ ਫਸਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਏ. Wow, that's so nice. ਕੁਛ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਾ Ginger, move. ओए तो कैमरा की खाना हैगा. वाओ सबरीन. सबू तो की कर रही हैं? Are you doing makeup? You doing makeup?
Look here, guys. Take over me. Put your glasses.
सबू मेकअप करके दिखा दे प्लीज. मेकअप करके दिखा दे. वाओ सबू, so pretty. So pretty, Sabrine.
Yeah.
दिस इज बिफोर
Some of the vegetarian marinated stuff.
Yeah. And we are going to barbecue it there.
The barbecue. Yeah.
This is our main barbecue chef,
Cole and
Arji
here is
Birji.
Ginger. Here is Sabrine. Sabrine, say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Only pull that. Let's see how it goes.
So pretty.
टोफू ओके
Seems like this.
Once again, please.
जो बाइट्स पोप बुद्ध
Oh, हाथ से सोंगे हाथ से.
रेडी
Clock it.
कर दो क्लॉक इट
Clock it. La 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 la. Sabrine. Ew. Ew. Sabrine, ready? Clock it करेंगे. Ready, Sabrine? Clock it. Clock it. These flowers for Karan, and I'm waiting for him to come now. Once he comes, I'll give him this flowers. See, I'm so excited. I just like buying flowers, you know. And these are so pretty. Yay. Okay, let me just give it to him and then I'll get back to you. Bye. Oh my god. He feels it so much. बस तो खानी नहीं हैगी हड्डी.
A few moments later.
Hello, welcome back. I have no clue what did I record yesterday, and I'm at my parking. Just ignore the mess around if you're getting any voice. We are just heading towards the mall to buy few things, and let's see what we do today. I have to eat my breakfast. I have a class at 6:30 today. I have 2 classes back to back because today is Monday. We took holiday on Sunday and Monday. So I have class. Karan don't have it. I mean, Karan don't have his work. He's having work tomorrow. So I am going to work and enjoy today together. I'm wearing a basic black tee and my jeans. That's it. Thank you so much for giving so much love for my last videos. I'm so happy. And let's see what we do next. We were about to go and celebrate Auntie's birthday, but I don't think so that's possible because I have class in the evening and it's so impossible for me to go because classes are from 6:30 to 9 at night and it's too late. So let's see what happens. I'll take you along. Hey, so I was editing the vlog and I just saw that I didn't end this vlog. So I didn't record after going to the mall because I got so busy doing shopping. There was an offer in Zara, so I shopped a little there. And we moved around in the mall. Then I went for the class and then we called for the day. That was it for this weekend. I hope you're liking my vlogs and please make sure to comment and subscribe, like, do whatever you feel like doing, and let me know what you like in my vlogs, what you don't like, what you would like to see more. And with that, bye bye, see you next week.